Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute and very beautiful dry fruit box for upcoming festive season, and this is made using unused or waste mithai box or sweet box, and I will just show you how it looks from the inside. I have filled my box with different dry fruits and it's looking very yummy. It is having magnetic closure like this, and also I will share how to construct the partition, the box making, the flower making, everything in this video. So without any delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I have this mithai box in square shape. You can use any shape of your choice, and this box measures 12 by 12 centimeters and height is 4.5 centimeters. Now first of all, I need to remove these side panels because they are very thick and I don't want to make my box in uneven shape. So I'm just trimming these sides using scissors and making it properly even from all four sides. And then I will going to remove the top paper from the box, though this is not necessary because anyways we are going to cover it with pattern paper later. And here I have removed all the paper from this box, and now it's ready to construct in our required shape. If any part is coming out or if you can see any part is extra, you can just trim it out before joining all the parts. And now to construct the base we need some connectors. So I have these white paper connectors which measures 4 by 4.5 centimeters. This is simple printing paper, and I'm just applying little glue and securing all four sides using these connectors. Like this. Similarly, I have covered the top portion also using printing paper connectors. Now I don't want these two sides, so I'm just trimming it out using scissors. And now our base box is ready. Similarly, cover this using 12 by 2 centimeter connectors from all four sides for the finishing look. So it's completely done and now it's looking nice and finished. Now remember, we have just cut these two left and right side flaps. So using those flaps only, I am going to make the center partition for the dry fruits. So here I am just marking in the center of this strip, making one line like this, and similarly from other side also I am marking the center. Now I am going to cut one slit till the center point like this. In the same way I have prepared one more, and now we just need to tuck these flaps inside each other and the partition is ready. Very easy to make. Now you can just put these partitions inside the box wherever you want. Super easy. Now I'm just finding out the center of the top lid so that we can create one circle hole to make a see-through box. So using 3 centimeter radius, I'm just going to make one circle on the lid, and then I will cut this using paper cutter and scissor. So the hole is ready. Now I'm taking pink colored chalk paint and I'm going to cover all the edges of the box using this pink chalk pen, so that when we will add the pattern papers, any part which is coming out should look like a nice dark shade. Since this is the festive box, so it should look like nice and finished in festive colors. That's why I'm just covering all the edges of the box using this pink chalk paint. And this is done. Now on the top I have just added double-sided tacky tape. I am removing the liners and I am going to stick one square piece of acetate sheet so that we can see through from top. And now I am just connecting the magnets with the lid. So here I am taking 2 small pieces of tacky tape, adding like this, then removing the liners, sticking 2 magnets like this, then taking 2 more small strips of tacky tape, attaching 2 more magnets on top of the previous magnets, adding the tacky tape strip in the bottom part, removing the liner, and then sticking the magnet with the other part like this. In this way you can have the proper placement of the magnets. Now I am covering this portion using pattern paper strip. Similarly, I am going to add one more pattern paper inside the lid to cover the magnets. And now I am just adding the pattern paper square on top of the lid. I have already cut one circle on this pattern paper as well, and then decorating all 4 sides too. Now taking back the partition which we have created, and I am going to cover this also using pattern paper. So just align your pattern paper with the base, and I have already traced this slit using pencil. So I am going to cut the slit . And taking one more pattern paper strip which is little larger than the base, I kept 1 centimeter gap from all the 4 sides and already cut one slit. Now align both the pieces together, attach with the glue, fold the flaps, chop the corners and stick with the base. Then cover with the pattern paper on other side, and this is completely ready. In the same way, I have already prepared one more. Now we just need to tuck it between each other and the partition is ready. So I have decorated my box from inside also using pattern papers, and now I'm just putting the partition. So whenever you want the partition, you can attach this, or if you want it as a complete gift box, you can use without partition. Now I'm decorating the front circle using this beautiful circle die, decorative die by Little Birdie. I have used gold mirror cardstock. Then it's time to make some paper flowers. So here I'm taking my Easy Cuts machine and 120 GSM soft floral oriental paper and these 8 petal daisy dies by Dress My Craft. I have used second and third number die for my today's project. So here I'm taking double layers of paper so that we can cut 2 flowers at one go, putting it on the paper, covering it with another plate and passing it through my die cut machine. So in a single go you can have the die cut ready with you. It is very time saving product and I think you should have small die cut machine at least for these kind of projects. And I am just separating the flowers. Now it's time to color the flowers. So I am using the same pink colored chalk paint which we have used to color the edges. I am applying in the center of the flowers, spreading it using water. Adding some more dark dots of the pink color in the center. Allow it to dry. Then from the back side of the flower I am just shaping it using small size groove golf tool, and in the base I am taking embossing pad. Rotate all the flowers and using ball tool I am pinching in the center to make the cup shape. Now I am layering my flowers, so I am adding total 3 layers for one flower. And for the center of the flower I am using green color flower pearls. In the bottom I am taking my funnel tray so that the pearl will not fall and we can gather the excess pearls again in the bottle. And the super cute flower is ready. I took the same combination as pattern paper, that is pink and green. So we need total 2 big flowers, 3 small flowers, and also I have already cut some foliage leaves using green paper, and for this I have used this die. Now taking back my box and I am just decorating it in one corner using foliage, cutouts and handmade flowers. In the same way I am going to decorate the bottom corner. Now I am adding the sentiment Shubh Deepavali which I cut on white color cardstock. I have just colored the bottom part of the sentiment using pink color so that it will look like a shaded sentiment. And this is done. Also I have decorated the bottom corner using the same flowers and foliages. And our beautiful dry fruit box is ready. I have filled my box with different dry fruits. It's very tempting, I know. So in this way you can just create the beautiful box using waste boxes for upcoming festive season. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.